Hi friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Tanya. My best friend who lives next door, her name is Monoshuk. And we had a huge snowstorm over the last 2 days, and apparently we're still not done. We're still going to get some snow. And I've kept the sheep locked up because I knew it would be really bad weather and I wanted to keep them safe. They've been fed and kept warm and watered, but it's funny to see what they're doing in the snow today, because they look like little bunnies hopping through it sometimes. And I can't quite understand, because they have nothing to eat, because they can't reach the grass, but their coats are so thick that I'm not worried about them getting cold, and they can always come back into the barn when they get tired of the snow. Athena, are you ready to chase them? Say, yes, I am, but I am not being allowed to. No, no, no. And Zeus, you love laying in the snow. It feels so good, doesn't it? With your winter coat. And you like eating it. But the snow causes some problems. The garage door on the barn won't open. It's frozen. I already had an issue with the door, didn't I, Athena? Thinking I'd have to crawl through a window. Of course I can't squeeze through this and land on the other side safely. And, but this would be a kid's paradise for sledding, for cross-country skiing. It's so beautiful. It's just not very pleasant to have to take care of stuff in it or take care of the driveway when we get such an excess amount of snow. Let's see what they're doing. What are you guys doing over there? I think they're huddled together. Oh gosh. So deep. It's so deep. Are you guys huddled? I hear the neighbors. I hear the neighbor's dog. Well, don't go too far. I'd wager you should go back in the barn. But you're mountain sheep, so I think your DNA knows how to deal with this. Yeah, the chicken coop covered in snow. I'm getting cold, so I'm going to head in. I'm going to leave their door open so they can come in when they want. I'm not worried about them. Patches, your coat's so thick. This is a different cat. This is Patches the barn cat. Say hi, Patches. Patches the barn cat with the really thick fur. And every animal wants a little bit of attention. And this is Patches. Patches loves pets. Patches loves attention. Patches is our barn cat. You can see how thick her coat got. That was an indication it was going to be a cold winter, and then we had such a mild winter, I was so confused. But now that we've had our first snowfall, major snowfall, and the temperatures dropped drastically today, I understand why she has such a thick coat. Right? Right, Patches girl? Say, you a good mouser. She is a good mouser. She keeps our mouse population down in the barn. Yes, she does. And she cracks me up. She just wants cuddles and cuddles and cuddles. Yeah. And this one's so young, he thinks the snow is grand. Don't ya? Hop like a bunny in it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You gonna go play? Go play. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for being with us. We're sending you lots of love, positivity. Stay warm if this storm affected you, and we'll see you for the next adventure. Take care.